Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you some simple but effective ways to boost your internet speed on Windows. We will go through step by step from updating drivers to optimizing settings, and by the end your connection should run faster and smoother. Let's get started. The first step is to hit the Windows key and type in Device Manager. Then go to Network Adapters, and here we will find two things: the Ethernet controller and the Wi-Fi adapter. For both we will do the same steps. Right click, select Update Driver, and in most cases the first option will be enough to search for the latest drivers. If you don't already have the best drivers, just follow along and update them. Repeat the same process for Wi-Fi. Now another thing we're gonna do here is go to Properties, then to Advanced, and then search for Speed and Duplex. Set the value to Auto Negotiation and press OK. We're gonna open up the properties again and go to Advanced, and now we have another option. Disable large send offload v2, so these two. We're gonna switch those to disabled and see if it improves our internet speed. Next up we're gonna open up command prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset, ipconfig/release, and lastly ipconfig/flush DNS, and hit enter. We're gonna press Windows plus R again and type in ncpa.cpl. Right click your active connection and go to Properties. Double click Internet Protocol version 4. Instead of automatically obtaining a DNS server, use the following DNS server addresses. The preferred DNS server is going to be 8888, and the alternate DNS server is going to be 8844. And then we're going to click OK. Now we're going to press Ctrl Shift and Escape. This is going to open up Task Manager, and then we're going to go to Startup Apps. What we're going to do now is disable anything unnecessary. This can help with internet speed and boot time. Now we're gonna press Windows plus I to open settings. Scroll down to Windows Update, click Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization, and turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. Back in Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection, and we're gonna run a quick scan. While it runs, move to the next step. So we're gonna open up the settings again. We're gonna go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, and hit Reset Now. And that's it. With this tutorial we've gone through several fixes that can really improve your internet speed. If you're still having issues, I recommend reaching out to your internet provider. Otherwise, I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, so they can speed up their internet too.